we're doing the food tier list. Starting off with green apples. I love green apples. Starting next, red apples. I don't like red apples. We're gonna put them in D because I have had them before. I don't know what this is, so I've never had this. Avocado, like A. Bananas, like a C or a B. It's like a B. Blackberries, C. I've never had this. Blueberries, like a B. Oh yeah, that's cantaloupe. That's an S. Coconut. Never mind, I have had it. Cherries, I've never had. Canberry, never. Dates, never. Dragon fruit, never. Durian, never. This, never. Gooseberry, I don't even know. Grapefruit. Red grapes. It's either an A or a B. I'm just gonna put it in A. It's all like A. Kiwi, I've never had. Lemon. Oh wait, I've never tasted lemon. I've only tasted like the juice, so I'll say I've never had this. I've never had. Lychee, never had. Mango, D. Nectarine. Okay, I forgot what that is. Orange. Never had. Papayana. Nectarine. Peach. Peaches are pretty good. Pears. Also pretty good. Persimmon. Never seen. Pineapples. Not that good. Plums. They're a little too sweet. What is that? Pomegranates. The seeds or like the juice. Yeah, let's just say that this is the juice, and I'll put it in A or S. What is that? Pomelo, don't know. Raspberries, I don't think I've had these. No. Strawberries, obviously S. Tangerines, maybe. Watermelons, A, B. Honeydew, don't know, never had. Asian pear, but boop, 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 boop. Okay, and that is the tier list. Goodbye.